This is BMW 750i 2012. This one, fuse box location, that I know there's two. If there's more than two, then comment below, let me know. So let me show you. First, OBD port is right in here, right under the steering wheel. And then first fuse box location is in here, and to get to it, gotta open this, take this out. It's right in here. To open this thing, there's this thing, you just press it up, this thing up, and then take this cover off, and there it is. Fuses that you need. It's kind of dark, but that's where it's at. To put it back, you take this, line up with the hole in there. Just push this down, it's locked. So the second one, you have to open the trunk. To open the trunk is right here, a button, and it opens it, or you can use the remote. Or make sure, if you go in here, there's the trunk. This is locked and that's unlocked. So if you have an unlock, make sure you put it unlock so you can open it. Second one is located right in here. Just open this up. That's where it's at. This is to pull the fuses out, just whatever you need. Let's put this back. So if you go in here, there's your tow hook. Somebody needs to tow your car or pull it, and where that would go is right here in the front, right in here. If this one's closed, you just take something small, just make sure you don't scratch the car, and then pull it off, and it's right in there. Also, if you're trying to get to the battery, they're right in here, right under. You just pick this up and slide it over, and there's your batteries. To close the trunk, you either push it or you can just close it like this. And another thing I can show you is you have aux right there and USB. And if you want another USB port, it's right here, right there. Sometimes these are tricky. The button's kind of camouflage, and you can open this by clicking this button. That's if you need anything to put in there. Also, if you need a positive for the battery, there's also located in the hood, under the hood. When you open the hood, it's right in there. And I'm sure if you want to use positive and then ground, you just connect to one of the bolts that's grounded to the frame or something.